Well, alright, on this video I'm going to be showing you some really cool tricks with ropes and also giving away some really cool magic tricks. So don't go anywhere. Let's go! The first trick I'm going to show you is with an ordinary piece of rope. All you do is line the middle up just like this. I'm going to take my scissors and cut exactly in the middle. That way you now have two equal pieces of rope at the top and at the... Wait, that's not right. Excuse me for a second. We'll cut these off here. And that still doesn't look right. Let's just start over. We have one long piece of rope just like this. I'm going to actually bring the middle up exactly right here, and I will show you. I'm really cutting just like that. That way now you have two pieces of rope exactly the same. Oh, that is not right. What is going on here? Cut a little here, little here. Maybe I should just show you something else. That's not working. The second thing I want to show you is the world's quickest knot. Okay, this is so quick. Watch, you're not even going to believe it. Here you go, just like that, and there it is. Let me show you again. The world's quickest knot, just like that. Look at that. Woo, doggy. This next one's more of a challenge, really cool. You challenge somebody to tie a knot without letting go of the ends. If I try to tie a knot just like this, I come around underneath like this. Here I go. I already let go of the end. That way, it is a knot, but I let go of the end. So that's the challenge. So here it is. Really, really simple. All you do, watch. Cross your arms like this. This end goes here. This other end goes here. And as you pull, look, I'm not letting go, but I pull through. And there's a knot right there. All right, this last one's really cool. All I'm going to do is tie a knot right at the top of the rope, just like this. Don't want to make it too tight. But I can actually take that knot, see it? And I can actually slide it all the way down. Keep bringing it. Ooh, 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 ooh. There you go. And then I can actually pull it off of the rope. That way you have a souvenir. There you go. All right, some pretty cool stuff. Very simple, easy to do. Make sure your friends aren't around. Come on, let's go, and I'm going to teach you everything. All right, here's the secret to the rope tricks. Remember, stick around because at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving away 2 magic tricks to you. All right? So here's what we'll do. You get this rope anywhere at a fabric store, even sells this kind of stuff, or a hardware store. I've even used like clothesline that you can buy at Walmart or any place like that. Okay. Now here's the length I always use. You could use longer if you wanted to, but this is just always good for me to handle. So I pinch it about there at my fingers like this, and I'm going to bring the rope right about to my neck. Okay. Then we'll cut it. Another thing, you want to use some sharp scissors. Be careful with the scissors though, but you want to use sharp scissors. When you're doing the magic tricks, you don't want to keep trying to cut the rope and it's not cutting. It's just kind of embarrassing. You're like, well, this magician's out here doing a show for us. Why are not his scissors cutting? It's pretty embarrassing. So we want to get some scissors that cut really well. All right. Now this first trick I'm going to show you, it's probably the most difficult of them all. So I'll go ahead and do this for you and get it over with, okay? So what you're going to do is you come up like this. You place the 2 ends together like that. Now, I'm going to come down here to the middle of the rope. As I bring the rope up, I'm going to pinch right here and then bring that up like this, okay? And then that way you cut right. I blackened one end of the rope, okay? That way you can see what is actually happening, okay? Don't do this on your performance. It won't look good, all right? So it's back there. I'll show you here in a second. So what you do is I come up like this. I grab the black piece right there, and then that piece goes up here just like this, okay? You see it? So, right here. Got it? So you really just cutting this piece of rope, okay? So watch, I come up like this. Here's the middle. I come up, I grab that black piece. I'm just saying this so you'll see it. And then I come up like that. Then I cut right there. Just like that, you drop it. And that way it looks like, look at that, it looks like 2 pieces, okay? And then I just do all the cutting, boom, 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 then cut, throw that last piece, and then you go like this and say, we'll just start over. All right, this next one is pretty easy. What you're going to do is have this rope facing towards the audience. This rope's facing towards you, over your fingertips, like this, okay? All right, now, this right hand is going to come back and clip the left end of the rope, and this left hand's going to come frontward and clip the right end of the rope. Okay, so here you go. So I'm going to clip the left, and then this clips the right, and then you just pull, and you got your knot just like that. Now let me show you again really fast. I'll do it full speed. Put it in the front, put this in the back. All right, I come through, and voila. This next one's more of a challenge. What you're going to do is challenge somebody to tie a knot without letting go of the ends. If I were to tie a knot, I would just go like this. There, I let go already. I reach in and tie the knot, okay? Now, here's what you do. Really easy. You make a U shape with the rope like this, okay? All right? Now I'm going to crisscross my arms like this. My left hand's going to come and grab that end of the rope. My right hand's going to come in behind and grab the left side of the rope, and then I just pull, and you see, it ties the knot. Now for pulling the knot off of the rope, the first thing I want to show you is something called a slip knot, okay? What you're going to do, it's easier to do than try to explain it to you, okay? I'm going to pull it in like this. This end comes back, and I pull tight like this, okay? So there. Looks just like a knot, right? Right? But you see, when you pull on it, it disappears. Let me show you again. Do a loop. Take a piece of this end of the rope. You pull it through. Not much. When you go do it like this, and then you pull it. That way you have your knot. Now I'll show it to you facing you guys, okay? I'm just going to do it really fast. I do it really fast like this. Not too fast, but and there you go. There's your knot. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to make an extra knot, okay? So what I do is I take the piece of rope and I tie a knot in it, a real knot just like this, okay? Then, this is funny, I cut off the knot like that. There's one piece. And I'll take the other piece and cut it off like that. That way now you have something that kind of looks like a knot, you see? So what I did is I just had this real knot in my hand like this, okay? Just make sure you leave your hand covered like this, that way you can't even see it. So you gotta be careful with your angles, especially if you have any short people in the front. They can actually see up in your hand and they'll see that. But what you do is you do the fake knot like this. All right. All right, there you go like that, okay? And what I did is I just came up like this and I yanked on, or you don't want to yank on it because that'll give it away. You just kind of pull on it a little bit, okay? Then when you feel it go, I get that knot to my fingertips, okay, like that. Then I keep the knot still and I pull the rope, okay? Like that. And then you can just throw the knot to them like that. Now I actually did a white knot so you can see it better. Okay, so remember, inside your hand, you do the fake knot over here. All right, and then you pull. You got to tug it a little bit, but you don't want to make it too obvious, like like you're yanking on it. You just kind of go like that, okay? And you start going like this. You feel the knot to your fingertips. Now remember, don't try to slide the knot. You want to pull the rope. You try to slide the knot, it doesn't look right. So you just pull the rope and it goes out like that, and then boom, there you go. Well, all right, there you go. Some really cool, easy to do rope magic tricks. If you're still here, that means you enjoy magic or you just want to win some magic tricks. Well, good. Well, time to go. Here we go. The first thing I'm going to give away is this magic coloring book. Very easy, simple to do. All you do is snap your fingers. You got to know how to snap. And then that actually colors every single page in the coloring book. What? How do you do that? Well, you don't want to color every time because then you won't have the trick anymore. So then what you do, you can wave like this and that erases everything. That way you're back to normal and it'll give you time to go ahead and draw some stuff. That way you can do it at your show. I still do this a lot at my shows. Really easy, simple to do. I'm going to mail that to somebody out there. And also I have a magic rising wand. I'll leave that in the package. But what it does, it jumps out of your hands and you can do all kinds of stuff with this. Well, all right. If you want to win one of them tricks, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Leave a comment down below. I would love to win one of your tricks. And then I'll pick a winner here in a few weeks and I'll send this right out to you. So there you go, some more easy magic tricks to do. If you're not a subscriber yet, I'd really appreciate it if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button now, hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it. I do a lot of simple stuff on here, usually stuff that you can just find right around your house. So I really hope everybody's staying safe and healthy. Thank you all so much, and God bless.